Welcome to epiLife, your convenient tool for monitoring and understanding your health test results with ease. Enter the barcode. Enter the barcode in the space indicated. The barcode is located on the side of the saliva collection kit. Enter these numbers into the app and press Submit. This will allow you to access the current status of your test. Our system updates in real time to ensure you have the most current information. If your test is complete, you'll have instant access to the results. Subscribe for progress updates. In cases where your test is still in progress, our app offers a convenient subscription feature. By subscribing, you'll receive timely email notifications about your test status and the report. This ensures that you are kept in the loop and can access your results as soon as they are ready. Receive detailed reports. For a more comprehensive understanding of your health, enter your email address if you have not subscribed to our email notifications. Once your test is complete, we will send a detailed report directly to your inbox.